Hi, Robert.
Your timing stinks.
You guys, look who showed up. Do you remember me telling you the story of how I got fancy free? And the guy that kicked my butt to get me out of the hotel room when I was all like, I can't do this anymore. Well, he just drove all the way here to see me. This is my friend Glenn.
Mr. Tough Love. Hey, everybody.
Mr. Tough Love. I love him. He's almost slow. Huh?
We'll run a quart out.
We'll run a quart out. He's so good. He's
Which
so
he pays
good.
me the big bucks for.
I pay you the big bucks. He usually says that's what you keep me around for.
I have like this stuff, and I'm talking about Premiere Pro and things like that. You don't have to do all that to get going with YouTube, and even have a pretty successful channel. So.
Thank you. Y'all are so bad.
You feel like you're back in middle school now?
You're so bad.
You feel like you're back teaching middle school now?
I do. Boys, quit
Ms. Debra, I need to go to the restroom. Ms. Debra, I need to go to the restroom.
Yeah. Hi everybody, this is Randy. They probably don't need an introduction, but tell them your YouTube.
The Mobile Traveler.
The Mobile Traveler.
Yep.
And he is fixing chicken soup tonight for everybody. See all those empty chairs?
Oh.
They're probably over there in line for the soup.
Maybe. Yep, maybe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So how is it, everybody?
Not delicious. Delicious. I licked my
Hey, you wonderful cook.
Randy,
Randy.
thanks again.
You're welcome. Very much.
Hey everybody, how is the soup?
Delicious.
Randy did pretty good, huh?
Yes.